In this video, I will explain how to adjust the number format of the data labels in your Empower charts. On this slide, you see an exemplary chart that visualizes quite large values. As you can see, currently only the numbers without any separators are displayed. If you want to change this, click on the Data Labels menu in the action bar above the selected chart. In this area of the menu, you can edit the number format and scaling of the values of the primary value axis. If you're working with two value axes, you can make adjustments to the data labels for both value axes separately. Clicking on the drop-down menu of number formats allows you to select one of the suggested number formats. By default, the Excel format is used here. However, a dot or comma can also be used as a separator, depending on whether the European or American format is desired. If you want to use a special number format that cannot be represented by the suggestions, you have the option to define a custom number format. In this window, you can do this by using the English syntax to specify a number format. At the bottom of the window, you will find examples that you can use as a starting point for your work. The example here serves as a preview, so you can see how the format you entered would look. Note that you also have further customization options by changing the data label type. Here you can specify whether percentage values, absolute values, or a combination of both should be displayed in the data labels. Numerous additional settings are offered by using a custom data label. Here you could also add a prefix or postfix through the free text option and enter, for example, a currency symbol. By adjusting the scaling in this drop-down menu, you can further display large numerical values in a smaller and more manageable format. Thank you for watching and goodbye.